So Lucas and Marcus say that Demi has no idea what is going to happen, and Lucas and Marcus are going to pick Demi up from school, and Demi has messed up a lot with Lucas and Marcus by doing different pranks. And now Lucas and Marcus also have 3 crazy pranks that Lucas and Marcus are going to do with Demi, and Demi is going to be very confused by Lucas and Marcus pranks. And Lucas and Marcus are waiting for Demi to come out of school, and then after a few minutes Demi also gets in the car, and then Lucas and Marcus start bothering Demi. And Lucas tells Demi that at home mom and dad are very mad at you, and Demi also gets worried that what did I do like this, and while Lucas and Marcus are confusing Demi a lot. And then Lucas and Marcus come back home, and Demi parents receive a call from Demi's school, and Demi mom hears a lot of Demi complaints from the school people on the call. And Demi mom apologizes to the school, and Demi's mom does not believe that Demi can talk rudely to the teachers at school, and while Demi does not believe that she did something like that, and Demi does not know that Lucas and Marcus are doing all this prank, and Demi teacher is also helping Lucas in this prank. Then Lucas and Marcus and their parents are going to do another prank with Demi, and then they call Demi again, and Demi's father accuses Demi of stealing the credit card, and Demi is asked to check the bag, and when Demi's bag is checked, a credit card is found in Demi's bag, and Demi also gets upset about it, and Demi does not believe that I stole any credit cards, and everyone is accusing Demi of stealing, and they are trying to upset Demi a lot. And then Demi angrily leaves the room, and this prank of Lucas Marcus is also successful, and everyone is enjoying it a lot. And then Lucas and Marcus and their parents are going to do another prank with Demi. And then Demi also gets in the car to go to the dinner. And Lucas and Marcus show Demi the footage in which Demi sneaks out of the house at night and is riding a scooter. And while Demi does not believe that the girl riding the scooter in the footage is her, and then Demi's mother decides that now Demi will be grounded, that Demi is being harassed by everyone, and Demi is confused about what is happening, and Demi gets out of the car in anger, and this prank of Lucas and Marcus is also successful.